Alright guys, after receiving so many messages from you that you wanting to see me recreate Met Gala's hairstyles, well I've decided to do my favorite that I could recreate using niche hair extensions, and of course we are featuring Alia Bhatt's hairstyle also. Let's get this started. First up, I'm going to create Sydney Sweeney's look because that's the easiest. I'm using my wig with bangs and then I'm going to style it. So let's pack my hair first. She had slightly shorter bangs, so I'm going to trim them a little. So basically you have the liberty to cut it as short as you want. We don't cut it really short for you because we don't know where it'll look prettier for you. So I've set the bangs. What I understood of the hairstyle is these are thick curls which are later opened up. So I'm using a thinner tongue although and curling it up, which is wrap and roll is the technique I'm using. But I think this is giving more of a Kriti Sanon and Bhediya look on me because I'm a brown girl and not a blonde girl with blue eyes who's put on a black wig. But this is the vibe. I mean, I didn't have to touch my own hair and I can also do like Sydney. I'll actually watch the real clip. Wait, video is not that important as much as me watching a video of Sydney is important right now. Oh yeah. This was really cool, putting on a black wig just like Sydney did. It's easy peasy, you don't have to damage your own hair. You have a quick hairstyle in a minute. Moving on to the next one, Alia Bhatt's hairstyle. Oh my god, she looked like a moment in time. As far as I remember, there were a lot of curls, so I'm going to start with the front section first. So I've curled the top section. I'm taking most of my hair now, leaving just these few strands here and there so that you can see the texture. So I'm making a mid-length bun first. So somewhere here, I am going to put on my curly top knot. And now taking this curly top knot, wrapping this around, so that gives an illusion it's actually my hair that I've curled up using these pins. It's as big as Alia's bun for sure. So I'm in Dehradun and I picked this up from Mall Road. This was the closest I could get. So I'm going to use this. This is a neck piece around my head. And I'm going to pin it too so that it stays in place. Actually, it's not looking bad. This is something that one could definitely do for an event or something. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And then I have another color because I was like, let's just double layer it because why not? So I'm going to put this one from on top here. Again, these are neck pieces. You can shop them from any do street shopping and get these. Putting this underneath. Am I Alia or am I not? This is gorgeous. Oh my god, actually it's so pretty. So these neck chains are hanging somewhere here. They can be easily pinned, right? Can I get a little creative? Where are the other earrings? She had something in her hair, piche. How about this? Is it looking very weird? So she had like little, because it's Garden of Time, she had some little green things. I mean, it looks nicely decorated because I bought 2 sets and I got 2 earrings. Irrespective, this one is giving very Alia from Met Gala. There's this one picture of Alia. I love it. I'm obsessed with this look. I am, really. Again, I've curled my front, used my curly top knot and turned it into a bun. And rest, I didn't have to use so much heat on my hair. This is literally one of the heat-free hairstyles because curly bun did all the magic. So this is my take on Alia Bhatt's hairstyle. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Now moving on to Kendall's hairstyle, which I thought was very basic but unique. I haven't seen that on a red carpet in the longest time. Or maybe I've never seen that hairstyle on a red carpet. So I wanted to give it a try using my classic hair clip-in extensions. Classic hair has this natural wave which I absolutely love. Let's get it started. So what I understood of this hairstyle, this is what's happening. I'm taking this section. I've actually gotten these waves that are naturally there in the extension, but I'm still going to blend it. First thing, I am going to put my hairline powder because this patch is pretty much visible, which Kendall didn't have. So I don't have a triple tong, so I'm using this tong and doing like a very rough wrap and leaving it immediately so that there's some movement but you can't tell, so that there's no straight hair at least, you know. Good. I actually love it. I would so love to try this on some red carpet someday. It's giving vibes like, I love this. It's so cute.
Next up is Ariana Grande. Ariana Didi is the reason मैंने ponytail बनानी शुरू की थी, and this one is from our new collection, which is Priyanka's celebrity style ponytail, क्योंकि ये उनकी feedback से बनी है. उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि किस तरीके से मुझे एक ponytail बनानी चाहिए, which will give a full on celebrity look. Taking this ponytail, putting it from on top, and there's this additional clip which I'm clipping, and then we have this velcro wrap around. So best part about this ponytail is nice and thick. It ends up giving that effect that I wanted. And if you notice, my own hair color is pretty ombre-ish, which all of it has so nicely concealed. But I wrapped it around, and this is how Ariana Didi was posing. I love this ponytail so much. In our Indians, this is our shadi or party hairstyle because we are a little extra, okay? For them, it's a red carpet hairstyle, but you girls can do this anywhere you like. And this ponytail is just... लास्ट हेयर स्टाइल के लिए मैं भी ऐसे कंफर्टेबल हो गई हूँ जैसे काइली हो गई इस बार मेट गाला के रेड कार्पेट पे.
No, God, please, no, no, no!
आयुष से थोड़ा तो ट्राई किया होता, तो इसलिए मैं अपना एक ट्विस्ट डालने वाली हूँ. I'm going to use my curly top knot again and show you how if she had done it slightly differently would have looked even cuter. खुद की बैंग्स में काटती रहती हूँ प्रोडक्ट्स की, उसके साथ साथ मेरे बाल भी कट गए हैं. They aren't matching, but irrespective. One or two strands coming out. And if she had worn some jewelry, would have looked even cuter. What was that plain bun with one rose? It's like she took as little effort as my ex would take for me.
वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए.
This is my take on it. A little bit of curly hair is coming out. These curls on the side. Whether she would have kept it like this or like this, but who am I to tell Kylie? She's Kylie Jenner. She's awesome. Irrespective, this is my take on all the hairstyles from Met Gala this season. I love Met. I so wish one day I can walk the red carpet looking like a dream. I would give my best. I promise I won't let India down. I hope that happens someday. But thank you so much for watching. Please let me know which hairstyle you like the most, which hairstyle you would like to create, whether it's with extensions or without extensions. And if you would like for me to try some different hairstyles, maybe from the Cannes Film Festival, let me know, DM me, mail me on parulbalati@nisha.com. Any kind of video you would like to see, I would love to create for you. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe.